After loading our tracks into the multi-track player, we can go ahead and toggle on 3D. Now this is a live acoustic recording with guitar, off to the right here. Cello, along with the amp and direct in from the cello, grouped off to the left. Additionally, the yellow dot off to the right is the guitar amp with some reverb and effects on it. We have Tim and Paul blinking in front of us here, and the remaining 3 point sources are room microphones. I've already arranged these point sources into an orientation that sounds pretty good so far. You can toggle through the views of the room and point sources by clicking on the different orientations of the dummy head, or you can always just click and drag. But we can go ahead and change this room size, so I'm going to make it a bit bigger by changing the max radius. And then if I go ahead and increase the radius of all the point sources, it moves them farther away from the center. Next, let's toggle through a few different wall materials. Concrete, acoustic tile, and even a theoretical perfect reflector. I can toggle on and off reflections and reverb. At this point, we're pretty far away from my original preset, but I saved it in a snapshot in the top right corner here, so if I just click that, we're back to how we started. When creating your binaural mix, you can either choose an HRTF from the library to the left here, or upload your own. For this video, I'm just going to use the first one here, as it's a universal dummy head HRTF. With that selected, let's move around some point sources. First up is the guitar.
How do I learn my dreams to know? To lay them bare in the morning cold.
Next, let's move Paul, our friendly red dot, around to the left side. Let's bring him a bit closer here.
Let me down easy, let me down slow. If all good things ever come and go,
Just swing him around behind.
let me back down in a place I know.
And now let's move him upwards a little bit. Tim's pretty loud as well, so we'll move him up too. And back down. And again resetting to the snapshot here. Now I'm going to go ahead and rotate the head so that the point sources appear to move around you. It's pretty easy to pick out the guitar moving around the left and eventually behind you. Let's move to the back of the room, or in between the singers. This nifty button in the top left corner allows me to toggle on stereo to hear that for reference, as opposed to 3D. It's worth noting that these are the raw stems from this recording. I haven't processed them outside of what you're seeing on the 3D mixer right now. So let's listen again to that stereo mapping, as opposed to 3D. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and for more information, visit our website, BACCH.com.
There's a question ages old.